Our client was a global manufacturing company that wanted Google to rank its local US site over its international site for certain products. This promised to be tricky, but Webcertain's SEO team rose to the challenge. We created an application to process and analyze hreflang for 17 locales deployed over 1,500 XML sitemaps with 42 million hreflang links. We also worked with the client's IT team to resolve any errors that were identified. As a result, Google started to consider the hreflang deployment, ranking the local US site over the international site for some products, just like the client wanted. The website's organic click-through rate also increased, showing that the strategy was paying off.